Khandagiri Kumbh Mela is a divine place where the merciful river, the Daya river became blood river, where the Chandasuk became Dharmasuk. So this is the land of sacrification, the land of dedication, and there is four triangle glorious, glorified and powerful divine hills are there, whose are representing the monks, maybe Jain, maybe Naga. You can see the naked monks picture on the wall that was made by the stone, so that our culture, tradition, ritual, spiritual utility, unity in diversity, that is not a matter of education, that is matter of sacrification and dedication. And the great Kalinga war, and when the war represents the warriors, Naga monks, mysterious monks, you can see the youngsters is always with us, and truth is winner forever. So that this is the matter of challenger, whenever the matter of Supreme Court, but we don't think that Janta Janardhan, Panchatunde Narayana Hari. When one monk is saying that Har Har Mahadev, Om Namah Shivaya, Sab Kaam Ban Jaye, so that this is the matter of feel and what is the utility of the spirituality. No war, only peace. We have been passed by the Sri Pandasnam Juna Akhada, recently got promotion in the Prayagraj Mahakumbh Mela as a Raja Rajeshwar Naga. This is a long practice of 12 years, and inside the monks society there are so many intellectual persons, there are so many university professors, so that this is the open university of spiritualism. If you are thinking you are getting education by a certificate, but the monks giving the certificate to the system, to the administration, who are coming to be and asking and expecting before a monk that I want to be army, then the monk suggesting him what is the position of a retired army. So that is the not a matter of running horse, but we are thinking about the old and gold who never loses his power and prosperity and his potentiality, his professionalism, so that the Naga monks are the perfect and who are leading to the whole world. And for your kind information, and this is the temple city, well established on the tourism mind, but we are thinking that this is the matter of spiritualism, so that the fair where the monks are sitting, the fair is on, and all egos are gone. Just say Om Namah Shivaya, Sab Kaam Ban Jaye. So that this is the simplicity of the monks. So that you don't try to certificate a monk, so that this is the monk system is there, they will be certified that, and the monks are well known in the name of the exemption army. Behind this glass we are looking whose are suspected persons is moving around the rush, so that you don't know what is the exemption army. When you will be talked with the senior officers, military officers, they will be know that the monks close watch on the rush where the thieves, where the suspected things, suspected antisocial elements is moving to violate the peace inside the fair, so that their close eye on them, so that we are looking behind the glass whose are suspected persons are here, so that whose are seeking spiritualism, we all welcomes them, and that is not necessary to a naked face to cover up. And this is the Raj Rajeshwar Naga monks, newly initiated, and the new era, new generation of Naga monks, Totapuri Maharaj's new representation. No discrimination in Sanatan. River, sea, heart like a sea. Sea means spiritualism. A means energetic. A means astonishing. That is in Mahakumbh Mela, in Khandagiri Mahakumbh Mela. This is an annual fair, and you can see the Naga monks representation also here. And Naganti, Vedanti, Joganti, Hoibeko, Dekhibo Beni Netrore, मंत्र करुथिबो जब एकाक्षर रे तेणु महाप्रभु जगन्नाथ माँ बारभुजा, दिस इज द holy place of माँ बारभुजा where the powers worshippers are also there, and this is a cultural fair also where the mela is entertaining lots of people with the tradition and culture, and the language is Odia. Har Har Mahadev. प्रतिवर्ष कुंभ मेलारू यही कुंभ मेलार दिव्यता एवं नुआ रूप आसवा राजराजेश्वर नागा मानकर दर्शन आपण पाइपर एवं नागांती वेदांती जोगांती सिद्धांती किए केउ मतरे भगवान को प्रार्थना करुछि। जद्दारु ब्रह्म मूर्ति प्रणव तनुधरं स सर्ववेदांत सारम भक्तानां कल्पवृक्षं भवजलतरणी सर्वतत्त्वानुतत्त्वं जोगिनां जोगिनां हंसतत्त्वं श्रीपति वैष्णवानां शैवानां भैरवाख्यं बौद्धानां बुद्धरूपं वृषभजतिवरं जैन सिद्धांत सारम जाच साक्षात शक्ति श्री नीलाद्रिनाथो अहम भजामि जहाँ दत्ते वहाँ सत्य है जटाधरं पांडुरंगं शूलहस्तं कृपानिधिं सर्वरोगहरं देवं दत्तात्रेयं अहं भजे. Who's are asking the mantras to the monks come to hear on the fair. This is the open war of spiritualism. What you know, you can share. If you win, you will lead. If you lose, you will guide. And just come on the stage. Har Har Mahadev. Om Namah Shivaya. Khandagiri, Lavanagiri, Udayagiri, Dhauligiri. The four golden triangle is awaiting for you. Har Har Mahadev.
अच्छा ये गोटे आध्यात्मिक स्थल खंडगिरी कुंभ मेला जो विश्वर शांति ये आम कर वर्ष गवर्नमेंट टिके चेंज होता सहित जो आम आइटम गाल मान बारण कर
जोठी लंगुली साधु मानकर पूजा करा जाउची where the Naga monks are worshipping by the society when you will be do the nakedness that is a great slap to the tradition so that it should be happen inside the cover. There are so many internet, you can go through the internet, you can be naked, no problem. But on the open stage, when are you doing these things, then what is the lesson to the visitors of the Mahakumbh Mela? This is a spiritual fair. If you have a spiritualism, you can do Shivatandav, no problem. But that should be on the barrier because the Samandar Sea is giving us the lesson to be on the limit. If you will be the cross the limit, then the silentness and the peaceness be violated and then will be Tandav will be start the naked monks Tandav. Jatattavi galajjala pravaha pavita sthale galavalambya lambita bhujanga tunga malika damat 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 damanninadavad damaravayam sakara chanda tandavam kanottu nassiva sivam jatakataha samramanna limpa nirjari bilola bichi ballari virat पिलोल बीच बल्लरी विराजमान मूर्धनि धगद 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 जल ललाट पट्ट पावके किशोर चंद्रशेखरे रति प्रतिक्षणं मम धराधरेन्द्र नंदिनी विलास बंधु बंधुर स्फुरद दिगंत संतति प्रमोदमान मानसे कृपा कटाक्ष धोरणि निरुद्ध दुर्धरापति क्वचित् दिगंबरे मनो विनोद में तु वस्तुनि जटा भुजंग पिंगल स्फुरत्फणा मणि प्रभा कदम्ब कुंकुम प्रलिप्त दिग्गधूमुखे न जानामि मंत्रं न जानामि तंत्रं गतिस्तं गतिस्तं तुमेका भवानी मालोमा बाउजबा हर हर महादेव बोलो ओम नमः शिवाय ओम नमः शिवाय ओम नमः शिवाय सब काम बन जाए हर हर महादेव वेलकम टू द स्पिरिचुअलिज्म सी खंडगिरी महाकुंभ मेला